and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share very useful Windows 11 tips and tricks. Use this shortcuts and you can accelerate your work 200% fast. Okay, the first is that general Windows shortcuts. If you have opened here the multiple applications or Explorer, then you want to go to desktop fast and just press Windows plus D from the keyboard. I'm going to type here screen keyboard. Shortcut is OSK and press Windows plus D, and you can minimize all the windows, okay, at once. Right, now next is that you can open File Explorer simply pressing Windows plus E, and so you can open the File Explorer, right? And now next method is that you can open quick setting like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth brightness, Windows plus A, and you can find out Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so many options here, right? Now next is that Windows N. Windows from N is used to open notification center. Press Win key and N, and this will open the notification center here, right? Now next is that Windows plus L is to lock your PC. Just press Windows and L from the keyboard, okay? Now next is that Windows plus X hidden start menu. Here you can find out so many quick settings from this option. Just press Windows plus X. Here there's so many sharing, right? Now next, we are going to perform these shortcuts inside the File Explorer, right? Simply press Win plus E to open File Explorer. Then after, the first is that Ctrl Shift N. This is to create a new folder, right? Just let's open this desktop here, and I want to create a new folder. Simply press Ctrl Shift N, and hence you can create a new folder and you can rename it. Very nice, right? Now next is that you can open file properties. How can you do that? First you have to select the file or folder, then after press Alt plus Enter, and here you can find properties of that folder or file, right? And next is that Ctrl T. By pressing Ctrl T you can open new File Explorer tab. Go to the File Explorer plus E, then after simply press Ctrl plus T. Yeah, this is the one and this is the next Explorer, right? Very easy. Now Ctrl Shift C is to copy the file path. You can copy the file path. Simply press Ctrl Shift C. Suppose let's go to the desktop. I want to copy this file paths. Simply press Ctrl Shift C and simply press Windows V to check the file path here. C users and desktop 1. This is my file, so folder name. Hence you can copy, right? Now we are going to perform inside the browser. Let's open this here, the Chrome browser, and first trick is that Ctrl Shift T to reopen the closed tab, okay? if we here searched about pi, you must need connect network to perform this task. Suppose I have here opened one pi, and here I have opened the video downloader. Just I close it, right? Now how can I open that? Here is the trick. Ctrl Shift T, press Ctrl Shift plus T, and you can get back again that page, right? Very nice. Now next is that Ctrl Tab within, switch between the tabs. You can switch between the tabs simply raising Ctrl and Tab, and press Ctrl and Tab. Okay, very easy. Ctrl and Tab, Ctrl and Tab. Now next is highlight the address bar. Simply press Ctrl L, go to home, and you can highlight the address bar. Simply press Ctrl L, like this. Okay. Now next is the Windows management and multitasking. Simply press Windows 8 and snap layouts menu. Quick window snapping, right? Windows plus J, and you can find out here so many options for multitasking. Very useful. And Win plus Shift plus S it is used for screenshot. And Shift H, and hence you can screenshot particular picture. And Win plus S for bus typing. Windows plus H, this is for the bus typing. Okay, this box has been opened here. Get now Windows open, down arrow to maximize and minimize the window. Windows plus down arrow, right arrow, Windows plus off arrow, left arrow. Okay, and so you can minimize or maximize the many windows. And when post left right click, snap windows side by side, windows and left. You can perform this task, very useful. Now virtual desktop management, task management. Simply press Windows tab, open task view. Once you find the task view, simply press Windows and tab, and you can find out here so many task tabs windows, right? Now next is that Windows Control D to create a new virtual desktop. Simply press Windows Control D. Okay, and so you can create virtual desktop. Okay, now plus Control left right can switch virtual desktops, and Windows plus Control F4 close the virtual desktops, or we can click here and we can close from here also. Now we can clipboard and images. To open clipboard settings, simply press Windows plus P. Whatever you have copied, you can see here. Okay, you can press Windows option for images, or you can press Windows this option for the emojis, right? Now for the gaming tags, here the solutions. Press Windows C, open the Xbox game bar. Yes, you can open the game bar, right? Now Windows R to regulate the screen. Windows Alt plus R. Windows Alt plus R. Windows Alt plus C recording and press R to stop, and so you can screen record Windows 11, and you can screenshot Windows Alt and print screen, and it has taken a screenshot. Now Windows P for the project zone setting. Windows P, here the project zone setting. Okay. Now advanced tricks that you can open Task Manager simply pressing Ctrl Shift Escape. Okay. Now run command box, simply plus R to open the run command. Plus R, Windows plus R, Windows plus R. This is the run command. And Windows Ctrl Shift P, restart the graphics driver. Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B, and it will restart the graphics driver. And you can switch between languages. Windows plus space. Windows plus space. You can switch to different languages. Okay. Here's English, and here is our native language, right? I think this is the lock. Okay, these are the very useful and powerful Windows 11 shortcuts. Just use these shortcuts and perform your tasks 200% fast. Friends, these tricks really helped you to work to perform tasks very fast, and don't forget to comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.